All right, so we're going to get this kicked off. Our first partner of the evening is Drawloop, for those of you who don't know, is a document generation app for the enterprise. You can create a centralized process for your businesses to deliver personalized, industry-compliant communications to your customers within Salesforce. Let's see how you can dynamically merge Salesforce and third-party data into any combination of document templates and save your team countless hours, allowing them to spend more time building relationships, not building documents. Paul, Vincent, take us away.
Excited to be here in Manhattan, the greatest city in the world. And so we're here to show you that Drawloop is awesome, and we're here to prove it. We are the premium low-code, no-code document generation solution on the Salesforce platform. Our app is as flexible as your use case may be dynamic. You can even custom code UI for your end user experience. And when you think click to configure, deploy, and deliver, I want you to think document generation with Drawloop. Today's use case is Pinnacle power plant servicing. What they do is they go out to facilities like Facebook, Google, and AT&T, and they service multi-million-dollar modularized power plants, their fuel cell generation. And these are the photos that represent that very large investment from companies. And so Pinnacle needed to deliver a document to their customer once they were done with that service. And they came to us with an existing Word document that they wanted to deploy very quickly to all of their customers from their field service agents. They wanted to deliver that through from the ServiceMax platform through the Salesforce One mobile app, delivered with DocuSign, including multiple photos and ad hoc notes from that field service rep. This is what the document looks like when they gave it to us, and all the red boxes represent areas in which we would inject dynamic data based on all the information obtained on site from the field service tech. As you guys will recognize this is Schema Builder, and it represents a very complex data model that is required to be used in ServiceMax. 14 objects into our document template with no code, no SQL queries, and no Salesforce reports. No other app can do that on the App Exchange and document generation. So Vince is going to pretend he's a field service tech right now, and he just clicked the chatter action. So we're kicking off document generation from Salesforce One Mobile. We're delivering that document through the DocuSign interface, and we're providing it to you via in-person signing. And what that allows the field service tech to do is hand the iPad, the Android, or whatever mobile device is right to the customer to review the work that was completed on site and execute the acceptance of that work. And so what we'll have here is the actual document that was injected with all the dynamic data. We've included dynamic images of the service techs, of the products that were serviced or repaired, including next steps. And so Vince would go ahead and go to the end of the document, click accept. That document is then re-rendered as a flattened PDF, delivered to the field service tech's manager, to the field service tech's customer, and to field service tech. Finally, I want to talk to you guys about the Drawloop Difference. And this is really what sets us apart from all of our competition, is we can migrate from org to org. No code, no SQL queries, and no button parameters are required in our app. We're enabled by the admin and supercharged by the developer. You'll also find that we've been backwards compatible with version number 1, dating back to our first release. We have centralized template management. You can update, create records declaratively, as well as we can get to more objects and more rows of data than anybody else. And that's Drawloop. Thanks for your time.
Thank you so much, Paul and Vincent.